Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus, 29 Meadow Ave, Coopers Plains. Our phone number is 0738481382, and today we have a 2004 Nissan X-Trail Ti, stock reference number 4466. This shape runs from the 10th month 2001 through to the 9th month 2007. There's a QR25 2.5 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine backed by an automatic all-wheel drive transmission. QR25 2.5 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine. This vehicle has sustained damage in the front end. We have the left corner lamp, left fog lamp. This vehicle is fitted with 16-inch alloy mags. Left front has a bald tyre, left power door mirror, left front door has 2 small dents, left rear door has 1 small dent, left rear 16-inch factory alloy mag with a bald tyre. We have the left-hand tail light, right rear 16-inch factory alloy mag with an average tyre, and a right front 16-inch factory alloy mag with an average tyre. We have the driver's side door trim, power window master switch. This vehicle is fitted with grey and black cloth interior. It's got a black cloth centre console lid, automatic type console, automatic gear shifter, heater controls, factory 6-stack CD player, instrument cluster, left hand sun visor, courtesy lamp and interior mirror. I'm Chris from Total Parts Plus, and I'd like to thank you for watching this video.